So ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we're going to be determining the equation of the hyperbola from the given point, right? So they say a hyperbola of the form k of x equals to blah, blah, blah passes through the point 4 and 3. If the axes of symmetry intersect at, okay, so here I'm seeing an important point. Axes of symmetry intersect at this point, right? Remember the axis of symmetry lines and the asymptotes, they all intersect at a common point, right? As discussed in the previous video. We said the axis of symmetry lines and the asymptotes are going to intersect at the same point. So in this case, I'm just going to show a visual image of what does this statement mean. So this statement means if I have my Cartesian plane here like this, right? Like this is my Cartesian plane. X equals to -1, we'll find it here. So we draw dotted lines here for x -1. Then you show that this is x equals to -1, right? Then y equals to 2, we're gonna maybe put it somewhere there. Né? So you show that that is y equals to 2, right? So this point here, the first axis of symmetry line will be going through this way. Then the other, I don't know where it's gonna be cutting here, but what I know is it's gonna pass through there. Does make sense? So this is the most important fact that you should know, that the axis of symmetry and the asymptotes, they share a common point of intersection. Okay. So with this given, I can easily do this. I can easily say, therefore, k of x, right, is equals to a over, I know that if I put -1 on x, because my x asymptote is -1, I'm getting a 0 at the bottom. So which means p must be 1 then, because -1 plus 1 is 0. So at the bottom, I'm basically having x plus 1, right? So that when I put -1 here, I'm going to get 0. Yeah? So when you put the x asymptote, so the bottom, you write it in such a way that if you were to take the x asymptote and put it in here, you're going to get a 0 in overall. And the y value is your q. So your q is +2, right? Perfect. And then now to get a, we're going to just take another random point on the graph, which is that. So this is your x, that's your y. So which means k of x, we replace it by 3 because k of x is y. So 3 equals to a, then x is what? It's 4 plus 1 plus 2, right? I'll take this 2 that side. So it's going to be 3 minus 2, right? Equals to a over 5, right? Because 4 plus 1 is 5. And then this will give you 1. So you have 1 equals to a over 5. Then to leave a by itself, obviously I'm going to multiply by 5 both sides, right? Therefore, a equals to 5. Therefore, k of x equals to 5 all over x plus 1 and then plus 2 on the side. And that is how we find the equation of this hyperbola, ladies and gentlemen. If you found this video really helpful, please don't hesitate to hit the subscription button and to share with family and friends. And also to leave a comment if you feel like I'm moving too slow, too fast. If you feel like the video was helpful, please just leave a comment in the comment section so that I can improve next time. My main aim is to always improve the quality of these videos, but I can only do so with your inputs in comments and all that. Thank you very much. Aluta continua. Tango.